All right, let's go over some of your related rates homework questions. I'm not going to work every single one, but I will try to work several of them, and I hope that this helps you. You won't see any of these like long involved related rates problems until Tuesday when we take the free response part. Okay, so if you do have any questions, you can still come see me tomorrow, Monday. And don't forget we're taking the multiple choice part on Monday, okay, of the derivatives test. So here we go. Look at the first one. The legs of an isosceles right triangle increase in length at a rate of 3 meters per second. So I'm going to draw a picture, okay. Isosceles triangle means that two sides are the same. So in this picture, x and y are equal, and they each increase in length at a rate of 3 meters per second. So dx dt and dy dt, rates of change of x and y, are both 3 meters per second. At what rate is the area of the triangle changing when the legs are 4 meters long? Okay, so we have area of a triangle. Since this is an isosceles right triangle, instead of 1/2 base times height, we have 1/2 x times y, since x is the base, y is the height. So rate of change of area, we got to do a product rule. We'd have 1/2 dx dt, keep the y, plus 1/2 x dy dt. And they want to know what is the rate of change of area when the when the legs are 4 meters long. Okay, so we want to know what is dA dt if dx dt is 3 and x and y are both 4. 4, 1/2 times 4 times 3. Okay, and then you can simplify that. Part B says, okay, find the same thing. What rate is the area of the triangle changing? But this time, hypotenuse is 6. Okay, let's call that z. Okay, dx dt and dy dt are both still 3. And we want dA dt, that's our question mark. Okay, so we've got same derivative, 1/2 dx dty plus 1/2 x dy dt. Okay, so if z is 6, x squared plus y squared equals z squared, right? So 2x, nope. All we need are x and y. X and y are the same, so x squared plus x squared, which is 2x squared, equals 6 squared, right? So 36 over 2, which is 18, so x and y are both the square root of 18. So dA dt is 1/2 times 3 times the square root of 18 plus 1/2 times the square root of 18 times 3. Okay. Part C says the length of the hypotenuse is changing at a rate of blank. Okay, so we are looking for dz dt this time, right? So we have x squared plus y squared equals z squared. So 2x dx dt plus 2y dy dt equals 2z dz dt. We can cancel the 2's if we want to. Okay. Well, we know that dx dt and dy dt are both 3. Okay. And we know that x and y are the same, so I'm going to call them both x, right? If y equals x equals z dz dt. Okay, so yikes, right? Our question mark was dz dt, and I have x and z in my equation. But go back up here and remember that x and y are the same. Okay, so x squared plus x squared is z squared. So 2x squared is z squared. So z is the square root of 2x squared, which is x and the square root of 2. So I've got 6x from my 3x plus 3x equals x on the square root of 2 times dz dt. So if I divide both sides, dz dt is 6x divided by x on the square root of 2. The x's cancel, and that's how you end up getting just a number, 6 on the square root of 2 for part C.